I mean, I'm always conscious about it. Even though, see, I mean, people tell me you're married, you don't need to worry about it. I'm like, no, it's not like it's about me. It's about myself, how I feel.
9 months later.
We have Raj with us. Raj is 9 months from his ARTAS procedure out here, and Raj looks great. One of the things I think which we had planned in his head and planned, and which was very specific to what Raj wanted, is that he told me that he does not want the hairline to come too low. He wants more of a mature hairline, something which is more future-proof, and that is something which I always advise to my young patients. But most of my young patients, they want a very lower laced hairline. But this is a testament to the fact that a mature hairline can look very natural when the final result comes in. So Raj, how do you find the change?
I really like it a lot. So just as you said, the young people today want the hairline to go down. I just wanted the hair to, those hair like from the behind, I wanted you to use them on the crown area. So, and that also I have gotten a very good result. So overall my head looks full of hair, full of density, rather than just a straight line on the head. So it looks more natural. A lot of people have been appreciating.
It is zoom in. Let's see the irregularities which have been created in the hairline. And these are the things which makes the end result looks more natural. If I have a straight line coming like this, it will look very unnatural. But with this groove going inside, it makes the end result look very, very much more appreciated when it comes to the facial balance, right? So they get good compliments now.
Yeah, surely I do.
I think you had come with your father, and then back then you had a lot of anxiety.
A lot of anxiety, a lot of doubts. Even during the procedure, I was like, oh my God, where's the hair? Where's the hair?
But now everything is getting more set. Yeah, we are still 3 months away from the final result, but I think it's already looking very good. I hope you like the change.
Yes, a lot. Yeah. Hoping for a little better change as well at the end of 12 months, maybe.
You always want.
Yes.